on everybody, I'm Grandpeace, and today on CHECKN IT OUT TV, we're turning this regular old sledgehammer into our very own custom blacksmithing hammer. You know, we're gonna etch it, we're gonna work on the handle. It's gonna look something like this hammer up here when we're done with it. Isn't that beautiful? So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do to this hammer is slim down the handle, make it a little easier to grip. Something like this 3-pound hammer. See how it's thinner and just easier to hold on to. Get rid of the bulk and then we'll move on from there. So let's do it. So I'm going to want a round and flat side to my hammer. So this side I'm going to round it off to make it more like a half of a ball or a squished down ball. And then on the other side I'm going to flatten it out and get rid of the edges so that when I'm blacksmithing it's not leaving such harsh indentations in the steel. So let's get to it. So now that we're done grinding up the head and fitting the handle, it's time to battery etch our little emblem or logo into the head, you know, to give it that little extra something, you know. So let me show you everything we're using and get right to it. Okay, all the things you need for this battery etch is your item that you're battery etching: Scotch tape, Q-tips, blade of some sort, Duracell battery, or a battery of this kind of, you know, this kind of battery. Red and black positive and negative alligator clamps. Alright, now that we have everything, the first thing we're going to do is tape up our hammerhead and add in the design we want to. So let's get to it. Alright, now that our Scotch tape is all etched out and our emblem is ready to battery acid, it's now time to take our battery and add the red cord to the positive, and then tape this end to somewhere on the steel part of the hammer. Attach the black to the negative. Then we're going to add our Q-tips, dip it in the salt water, attach it to the alligator clip, and start etching our hammer. So let's do it. Oh, jeez. That is nice. Now that it's done, it's time to take the tape off and reveal it. Oh, that looks good. Let me show you what it looks like. Thank you everyone for watching me fix up my hammers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now it's time to do some blacksmithing videos. I have something planned for the future, so make sure you stay tuned because hopefully it turns out muy magnifique. Thanks everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.